Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making FUROFUKI Daikon. It's an autumn and winter dish, so warm and comforting. When you take a bite, the savory dashi flows into your mouth. One of my friends said it is like an explosion of umami. So the dashi is the key to the recipe. It's easy to make, but you will need a long time to cook. I don't want you to skip any process so that you will learn the basic technique how to cook daikon radish properly. Let's get started. First, you want to choose a good daikon. Choose a straight, firm to touch, and has a smooth and shiny skin, and heavy than it looks. But be careful with the infection. Scrub well and cut off the leaves. I like to use the center part of the daikon. This part makes the most tender and soft FUROFUKI daikon. I will show you how to use the other part in the future video. Peel the skin and cut into 3 cm in thickness. Score the surface crisscross. This is a traditional technique to make your daikon absorb more dashi and make it tender. Let's pre-boil the daikon. Put them in a large pot and pour in rice rinsing water to cover. Rice rinsing water removes bitterness in the daikon and makes it tender. Keep your eyes on it because it will boiling over and it's going to be a mess in the kitchen. If you don't have a rice rinsing water, sprinkle a tablespoon of rice into the water. It's a little bit mottainai situation, but makes a big difference. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes and your daikon looks translucent. Rinse under the running water to remove the froth. If you use rice, rinse in the water in a bowl. Let's cook in the broth. Put in a pot and add in 3 pieces of dried kelp. Cover with water. It's about 1.5 liters. Start cooking on low heat to bring out the maximum umami from the kelp. It is said that 60 degrees Celsius water brings out the umami at the most. So I want to keep the temperature around 60 degrees Celsius as long as I can. After 30 to 40 minutes, it's about to boiling. Take out the kelp before it gets slimy. Now let's add in more umami. Put in thick slice of Katuobushi in a tea bag or coffee filter. Cover the lid and cook 8 minutes to steep the umami from Katuobushi. Take out the bag and add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mirin, and half a teaspoon of salt. Cook 10 minutes more and turn off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. While cooling, the flavor of the dashi will be absorbed through the daikon. If you want it for your dinner, you want to start cooking at lunchtime. While cooking, let's prepare miso sauce. Today I use red miso, but you can use any kind of miso of your choice. It's good to have yuzu, the Japanese citrus, for the aroma. Put your miso in a medium pot and add in sugar. And add in sake and mirin. Start heating on low heat, stirring constantly. Cook until reduced in half and you can see the bottom of the pot. Stop cooking and set aside. Shave the peel of the yuzu and cut into thin julienne. You will need a small amount, so freeze the rest of the peel for another usage. It's good to add yuzu juice to miso sauce, but I don't like my miso tangy, so I keep it for the other use. Reheat the daikon and transfer to a shallow bowl. Pour over the miso sauce and sprinkle yuzu peel. There you have it, the authentic FUROFUKI daikon. You can see the color of the inside is the same as the outside. It tells you the dashi is soaked in the whole daikon. First, you will feel sweet and savory taste of the miso, and when you chew, the dashi flows out in your mouth. So delicious and so comforting. My family said I am good at this kind of nimono, which reminds us our grandma used to make. I hope your family will love it too. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my videos. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!